You what?
I want my daddy.
You want to marry him? It's why?
And I want to marry him.
Talk to me about it.
This side.
Tell me about, is that, I thought you were going to marry a prince.
Daddy.
Yeah?
Blake.
Blake's a prince?
And daddy's a prince.
And
I
you
see
love-
myself.
Okay. Stand back a little bit, honey. Oh, boom. Why don't you tell me a little bit about... Did you hurt yourself? You go boom? Turn back. Okay. No, talk to mommy. Tell mommy all about... Can you please tell mommy all about who you're going to marry and what's this that you're going to marry your daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I love my daddy. And Poppy. So I love my daddy the whole best. So I love the best when you see something.
You love him the best?
When you say,
You want to marry daddy because you love him the best? Is that what's going on?
yeah.
How old are you? Ariella, how old are you?
2.5.
Do you have a birthday party coming up?
But yeah, my birthday's coming up and then I'm 3 years old.
You're going to be 3? And what do you want to do at your party?
I want to say hi to my princess.
Oh, I think I hear your brother. Okay, it's time to feed him. Say goodbye. Say bye, Ariella. Those are good freestyle moves. Let me see. Pump, pump, pump and jump. Jump, jump, jump and jump.
We're going to pump it up. Pump, pump, pump it up. Pump, pump, pump it up.
See ya. Say goodbye.